Create a Fusion composition, add it to the timeline, and switch to Fusion. Add a background node. Connect it to Media Out. Set Alpha to 0. Using a Merge node, add another background, connect Polygon. Draw a line. Use the Border Width parameter to set the thickness of the progress bar background. Copy the polygon and background nodes, and connect the copies through another Merge node. Set the type of the copied background node to Gradient. Choose the start and end colors of the gradient. Go to Polygon and reduce the border width value. Go to the first frame, set the length parameter value to 0. Go to the end and change the value to 1. Add and adjust the glow node. Add a text node, connected through Merge. Adjust the size and font. Right-click on the text input field and select Expression. In the window that appears at the bottom, enter